We have a Bosch oven. We set on self-clean for 3 hours. It ran for about 5 minutes and then an error message, error 4, came on. We turned self-cleaning feature off. Door would not open. We waited over 3 hours and tried again. Still would not open. We flipped the circuit breaker off, waited 5 minutes, reset it, but the oven door still would not open. We flipped the circuit breaker again for another 5 minutes and tried again. Door still won't open.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. So the error you're getting is that the door latch assembly has failed. The first thing the oven tries to do when it starts self-clean is locks the door. If the control board detects something wrong with the latch, it will not run self-clean and it will flash an error message while beeping, so it sounds like your door latch may have failed. Try turning the breaker off to the unit for 60 seconds to see if it will reset. If not, then try to set the self-clean, wait 60 seconds and cancel it to see if that will reset the door latch assembly. If nothing resets the door lock, then you just need to manually open the door and replace the door latch assembly. It's not easy to manually unlock the door. You'll need to use a coat hanger and pull the latch assembly from right to left by slipping it down between the door and the oven frame at the top. Force the latch over to the left and open the door, then you can remove the panel in front of the door latch and replace the latch assembly. Please remember that when you are asked to give a rating, you are rating my service and not this website itself or the problem of your appliance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.